How to fix Wi-Fi activation failed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi activation failed issue. If you're having trouble activating Wi-Fi on your phone, I'll guide you through some simple troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. First things first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, Wi-Fi needs a strong connection to complete the activation process. Simply try opening a web page or use another app to confirm that your internet is working properly. Next, on the login screen in your Fiverr, double check the phone number you're entering. Make sure you're including the correct country code and that there are no typos. It's important to use the phone number that's linked to your SIM card to avoid activation issues. Sometimes a simple restart can solve the problem. Simply try restarting your phone and then attempt to activate Fiverr again. This can help clear up any background processes that may be interfering with the activation. Now lastly, make sure you're using the latest version of Fiverr. Simply open Google Play Store or App Store and search for Fiverr. Now if there is an update available, simply update it. Sometimes the issue might be on Fiverr's site, so simply check Fiverr's official Twitter account or the support website to see if there are any ongoing server problems or maintenance that could be causing the issues. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps help you fix the Wi-Fi activation failed issue.